Hello everyone, this is Orico W5P U2. The original product is like this. I have good experience with this product. I have to buy this product because all peripheral will mounted vertically, not horizontal. This USB hub using terminus FA 1.1 and this chip featured multiple transaction translator. Yay, finally we find it. Beside MTT, they have another feature like advanced indicator, LED, and power management, but Orico disabled it all. They have internal 3.3 and 1.8 volt regulator and internal oscillator, but the Orico decided using external crystal oscillator, 12 MHz. This USB chip need more external component than other chip USB hub. The ODT is some sound or filter using inductor marking, but Orico using sound resistor instead. This USB hub have external power with micro USB interface. But Orico do the bad things. They omitted blocking diode here. So the auxiliary power can backfeed to the computer. Even it will not damage the PC, but it can feed other device if the PC have parallel USB port power or turn on other device when the PC is shut down. But of course, it can do if external power is powerful enough and the cable connector is not melting. It's funny. Powerful core, super speed processing. No microcontroller is used in this chip. And the irony is, they show the blocking diode in this picture. Can you see? This is the diode, but the actual product is just sound resistor.